Hey guys, Ron Rohde here, and today we're going to be talking about how to add coolant to your 2018 Volvo S90. If you've ever had the light come on while you're driving on a hot day, or if you're just part of a regularly scheduled maintenance, this video is going to walk you through how to find the coolant, check the coolant, and what type of coolant to add. Alright, so I'm based in Dallas. It's been incredibly hot the last couple of days, and I had a warning message that popped up on my dash which says low coolant, check, or pull over immediately. I kind of ignored it as I was on my way home, and I haven't had significant issues, but it has popped up twice now, and they are messages that are stored in the car's computer, and so you can access at this menu, but we're going to show you all the steps to pop the hood and find that coolant, because it's a little bit tricky under all that plastic. So first we're going to pop the hood. You're going to find the lever release, which is about here. And the hood actually goes pretty high. Has a secondary push there. Here we can see all the plastic that is this car. Sorry for the leaves. Normally park it in the garage, but this weekend the light came on, and now it's Father's Day, so. Alright, so here's the coolant panel. It's over here on the left, and it has two settings for lock, and you just need to rotate it over to unlock, and that lets you pull off this panel. Here, definitely don't check this if the car is still hot. These are the little warning symbols. You want to let the engine cool down. This car's been sitting overnight. So again, we check inside, and you can see there's a max level. So we're well below that. So we're going to go ahead and add some fluid. I'm just using antifreeze that I have in the garage, but Volvo recommends another brand. Volvo recommends unlock, move to lock, and that's it. It's a pretty simple coolant top off. So now we're up almost below that max line. You're going to get a nice solid click at that last rotation, so make sure the cap is clicked in. You line up the sorry for all the leaves, but normally I park this car in the garage. The light came on just yesterday. Happy Father's Day to everyone. As you watch this channel, you know I have two kids. It's the first Father's Day with two kids now for me, and thanks to my wife for letting me record this. It's my Father's Day gift. I love to do this channel for you guys. So there you go. I've topped off the car. I'm gonna get back in, turn it on, and see what the warning lights are, but if you have any issues, I'd be sure to look underneath the car and check for leaks, because normally the coolant is a closed system and you shouldn't have to refill this on a normal basis. However, if you are driving the car hard, if the temperature is really high outside, it can heat, it can go into the expansion tank, and some of that fluid can evaporate out. So either you have a leak, or if you've just been driving hard, it could be normal to add a little bit of coolant. But definitely keep your eye on it and make sure that there's not a big puddle of coolant underneath your car, which could indicate a much more serious problem that you need to get repaired. Thanks. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time.